You ever feel like your own mind is the enemy?
Some days, even getting up feels impossible. The world keeps calling, but you can't pick up. You want to do more, but your mind says, not today. You start to wonder if something's broken inside you. But healing doesn't start with giant leaps.
It starts here, now, with a breath.
Fresh air feels like hope.
A thought becomes a word. A word becomes a step.
You start building momentum in silence.
The world didn't change, you did.
Courage is quiet. It's the sound of showing up.
Productivity isn't pressure. It's permission to try again.
One message can save your day.
Order outside starts with order inside. Structure isn't control, it's self-respect.
Purpose brings peace.
When you feel seen, you start to shine.
This isn't the end. It's just day one.
Mental health isn't weakness. It's the foundation of every victory.